Good day guys, and welcome to another video. I am really excited about this one because again, like my last video, I was just walking through the supermarket and I saw something that just amazed me. Let's take a look at that video. Alright guys, here in Progressive in Mobe, and look what I found. Yeah. Well, you're not going to have to try this out. And as you see, I have found Veg Out Trini Doubles. I mean, come on, in Jamaica, isn't this amazing? I am so happy that I saw this and very excited to try it out. Now, one good thing about this brand, they always say, well, it's natural and of course vegetarian, but you see, ready to go meals and no preservatives. So I'm very hungry. So let's take a look at this. Let's go to the kitchen and try this
out. Here it is, guys, the Veg Out Trini Doubles. It has the barras, it has the chana, and it has some tamarind chutney. And it's, of course, Doubles is a vegan dish, and this Veg Out brand, of course, is a vegan brand. Let's take a look at the back, the ingredients, and while I'm looking through the ingredients, very good. I'm not seeing any kind of big preservatives or any preservatives at all. It just looks like what you use to make chana. Tamarind chutney, same thing. Reheating, microwave the barras, and heat up the chana on the stove. Let me get this open. Let's see what's inside. Let's see how they package this now. Oh, you have the barras here. And they say 4 pieces. So basically this is 2 doubles. Call it doubles because it's 2 barras they're using. So it's a double. So 2 barras. And you have the chana. And it does look like frozen chana. And then we have the tamarind chutney here. And this actually looks really good. I'm excited, guys. The barras. Put it in. Oops. And they did say for 60 seconds. So, let's go. All right, it's nearly finished. There we go. And let's see it. Put a glass of water inside there so you can try to keep it moist. Oh, and it's nice and soft. I actually put it for 2 minutes. Take a look. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I have a pot here hotting on the stove top. And I'm just going to slip it. Whoop. That came out easily. And of course, I have to add a little water because you want your chana to be a tad watery, and I don't want this to burn. Oh, it's so solid. I'm just going to cover it, and when it warms up a little bit, I know that this is going to work out. It's going to heat up really well. This is it broken down, and it looks really good. It looks just like if you're cooking it at home. So basically, this is the barras frozen and the chana frozen. Similarly, like when you coming from Trinidad and you're visiting your family in the States, you go freeze them separately and carry it for them. It's basically the same thing. I might have put this a little bit too much water, but it's alright. You know, sometimes a runny doubles is not bad. So I'm just going to let it cook down. And I have the tamarind chutney right next to the flame here. So you can get some heat and melt out itself. Alright, and here we are. I'm so excited. I have my plate with my wax paper. It's here. You know, you have to eat doubles from my wax paper. So I put my barra. Second barra down. Oh, they have instructions on the box how to put a double together, but being Trini, I know what's going on, right? So we put the chana. And it's 2 doubles, so I'm averaging the amount of chana I'm going to need for the next one. Yeah, load them up. You go say, yeah, give me some of that tamarind chutney there, boss. And you sprinkle that tamarind chutney on it. Yeah. And they go say how you want it. And that means how much pepper you want. I don't say slight, I either say medium or heavy. So I go and just load them up with the pepper sauce. You understand? Yeah, that looking so good. So that is a kind of heavy pepper sauce there. And they put it down. I'm not going to do the whole twirl and everything, right? Here we are, we have the double. Now, I don't like to touch the doubles. Unlike a lot of people in Trinidad, I don't hold the barra and eat it. So I have it here. Yeah. The barra is actually pretty nice. It's hot in my hands. It's hot. The barra is actually pretty good. I was expecting it to be more rubbery. It's not. I would say the barra is a little too thick. But again, I understand because it's being frozen, they can't make it too thin. But the chana tastes really good. I taste the chana, I actually added a little sauce. The tamarind chutney is nice. So, definitely, will I eat? Yes. Definite thumbs up from me. Is it as good as a doubles on the side of the road in Trinidad? No, they can't beat that. But for what it is, it being a frozen item, it's well within my expectations. And I like it. This is something I'll buy again. So Veg Out, thanks for thinking of us. Veg Out, thanks for thinking of us Trinis and bringing this dish to Jamaica. For those of you who don't know, this is like the national street food of Trinidad. You buy this side of the road, the closest thing in Jamaica might be a patty.
And there it is, guys. It turned out pretty well. Again, for the Trinidadians who are watching this and in Jamaica and you want to buy this product, you cannot have the expectation of buying this fresh from the double stand on the side of the road after you're gone Maracas Beach and you're hungry and you're drinking it with a red solo. I mean, it can't have that magic. It's basically frozen barra and the chana separately. They give you a nice tamarind chutney that I like. For what it is pretty good, and it's something that I will buy again. Making doubles to me is a very labor-intensive process. Even like it when it was me and my daughter, 2 of us alone. It's just a lot of work for 2 people. But if you have a product like this, hey, you could get that feeling of home, that taste of home in Trinidad, in Jamaica with this product. Maybe the bars could be a little thinner. I'm not sure if it have anything to do with the freezing, but that's my only feedback, I should say, not really complaint. But otherwise, I actually thoroughly enjoyed it. This is another product from Veg Out. Now, this is not sponsored, by the way, this is my last video. This is just something I'm strolling through the grocery and I found this, so I'm just ecstatic about it. So definitely a thumbs up. And there you have it. Another dish, another Trinidad oriented dish that I'm able to have now in Jamaica. Every now and then, now doubles and roti and whatnot. This is not things you could have every single day because it's carb rich. It's not the most healthiest thing, but definitely every now and then when I have that little inkling for home and that taste of home, and I don't want to go through the whole process of cooking these things from scratch, I'll just pick it up in the supermarket. So thanks for watching as always. I really appreciate all the support you guys give me, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.